Hey everyone, today is Tuesday and it's quite cloudy actually. I hope that it will not affect the light in my video. Speaking of which, I was actually supposed to start filming this vlog last week and I did, but I accidentally turned on some kind of light suppressing setting. I didn't even know that there is such a thing. And it ruined my video quality completely. It just was so bad that I had to delete all the footage. First part of my restoration hardware purchase arrived last week and I filmed unboxing, first impression and all that kind of stuff, but as you learned, it all went down the drain, so now I will just show you what I received last week and I will tell you what I think about it a week after I got it. And it is this absolutely gorgeous column fragment that I am totally in love with. Just look at this detail, guys. So as you can see, it's pretty large and I may be a little bit out of breath after putting this one up on the sofa. Yeah, I just wanted to show you this in comparison to me. I believe that this part of a column is called a capital, if I'm not mistaken, and it's made out of plaster, but you will never guess, it looks like stone, right? Regular plaster usually has that white or sometimes ivory color, but they did such fantastic job aging it that you would think that it's real. It is also very heavy, which I appreciate a lot because it makes it feel even more real. And I'm getting kind of tired of trying to hold it upright, so I will let it lean on the couch. I'm expecting to receive the second part of my restoration hardware order tomorrow, but I decided to start this vlog today because I am awaiting to receive something from Pottery Barn today. It's a piece of furniture which I'm very excited about, so I decided I'll take you along with me and show you what it is when I receive it. Hey guys, it's Wednesday now. Yesterday I told you that I'll show you what I got from Pottery Barn, but unfortunately that order got delivered really late last night at around 9 p.m. I think, so I didn't have time to film it whatsoever, so I'm going to show you what it is today. It wasn't Pottery Barn white glove delivery, by the way. The piece of furniture that I ordered wasn't oversized enough in order for it to qualify for white glove, so it was just delivered by UPS. But first I thought I'll show you what I got from Restoration Hardware today. Today is Wednesday, which means that today is the day when I was expecting to receive the second part of my Restoration Hardware order. I didn't unpack it yet and I am very excited to have a look at it. £43, I think. Heavy. I've been getting a lot of really heavy packages lately. More styrofoam. So nervous. Okay, this is nice. I think I like it. Oh yes, I do like it. I love it. It's an herbarium. I hope I pronounce it correctly. Herbarium. It consists of 6 frames with an herb in each one of them, and those plants, they were harvested in 19th century, which is kind of crazy, and I absolutely love it because it gives it a touch of history. So each piece has a name of the plant in the frame and then a description of what this particular plant was used for, and its qualities. I think that it's written in French, so there is no way I am able to read it. I can't read or understand French, unfortunately. But yeah, I absolutely love the idea, and I think it's beautiful. So each herb is unique, so there is no copies, if I can say so, because obviously they were harvested, and it's not factory made, which I love. I love unique pieces. I absolutely love the frames as well. They have that vintage look where they try to make the frame look as if the paint is peeling off a little bit, and I think that they absolutely nailed it. It looks high quality, guys. Really nice. It's wood, by the way, and it feels really nice in my hands. I love it. I love wood in general. I have a lot of wood pieces in my house. So yeah, it's a nice addition to my interior, for sure. But let me show you a close-up. So this is actually the hallway and the wall where I want to hang these. Let's have a look at them. I love this one a lot. I'm going to clean up all that mess I've made over here. It's really bad. And I will show you my Pottery Barn order right after. Okie dokie, it's finally Pottery Barn time. Let's do it. So basically what I got is a C table. This is what it's called, a C table. Basically it's similar to an end table or a side table, but you can move it around if you want. As far as my understanding goes, you can move it around depending on what you are doing. For example, if you are working on the sofa, you can put your laptop on top of it, or you can keep it on the side and rest your glass on it. I got this one to replace our folding dinner table. I think this is what they're called. My husband uses it all the time when we have dinner upstairs, which is every day. Therefore, yeah, this thing is getting a lot of use, but its color doesn't go along with the aesthetics of the room, so I was very excited to find something that can replace it, and I found this table. It looked much better than a lot of other stuff that I saw online that could serve the same purpose, and I'm very happy I found this one. So the top is wood, and as you can see, you can fold it to make it smaller and more compact, or you can expand it depending on how much space you need. It also has this shelf that goes at the bottom, and you can keep your magazines or maybe a book in here. It comes in 3 colors, by the way. I went for the darkest one. I don't remember the name of this color, but I think it was just called black. So these are the legs for the table. They are metal, and I have to say that I really like the looks of it because it's matte, it's not glossy. Glossy metal doesn't look good, at least in my eyes. It doesn't have any scratches as well, which is great. It is also solid wood, which is really nice. I personally do not care for manufactured wood at all. It just doesn't have the same feel, you know. Lots of cleanup for me here. Yesterday I was hoping that I would be able to assemble this table myself, but after looking at the manual, I realized that I better wait for my husband to assemble it, because it looks intimidating. I don't want this thing to fall apart after my professional assembly. Oh, hey everyone, it's Friday now, and I'm happy to report that my husband put together the C table last night, which I am so excited about. The instructions were at the very least a bit confusing, but we managed to do it. It took us about an hour. Well, my husband did 90%, 99% of the job. I was his sidekick, helping out with those washers and things like that. But yeah, let me show you what it looks like. Today is another rainy day, by the way. It's very cloudy outside, so I hope you are able to see it properly. It's a very dark wood. It's called dark warm wood, I think, and it goes really well with the rest of the interior. As you can see, it just matches all the furniture really well. I popped this placemat from World Market on top of it, so the wood doesn't get damaged by plates and glasses and whatnot. It has this slot here for books and magazines, I suppose, and I have to say that it's the best side table that can be used as a little dining tray table that I saw online. It's just absolutely perfect. It's not too small or not too big. I love it. My husband loves it as well, as he is gonna be the primary user of this one. And of course you can fold it like so if you want it to be, let's say, more space efficient. So yeah guys, both my husband and I love this table so much. It works so great in this interior, just perfect. Pottery Barn proved once again that they have great quality furniture that is also very stylish and modern looking. With all that being said, I think it's time to wrap up this video, so let me know in the comments down below what you think of my purchases. I'm really excited to hear your opinion, and thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.